Everybody, it's Shep here. Want to take a look at the biotech, healthcare sector in general, pharmaceuticals, health services. I think everybody that follows momentum stocks knows that these sectors have been really ripping, and basically they're really outperforming the market here. I've got four ETFs here to show you guys. These are more high time frame, longer term, intermediate sort of investment style positions I'm looking to get into. So these are not swing trades, but basically, first thing to note is the relative strength of the sector. So we've got XBI, which is the biotech ETF. We see nice relative strength uptrend. Has been going up for quite a while, so it's maybe getting extended, but still, we got the pharmaceuticals are starting to get into a relative strength uptrend. We got the another pharmaceutical ETF exhibiting the same sort of strength, and then the healthcare services. We're starting to get above this longer term moving average on the monthly relative strength. So basically, these sectors look primed to outperform the market here on a longer term perspective. So I've identified only three stocks here for this list, just because most of these stocks have been ripping quite a bit. These are stocks still. These three that we're going to review, they have either really good earnings per share or revenue growth or both. So these stocks have fundamentals. So let's take a look into these stocks. So BBIO, Bridge Biopharma. So we've got this nice relative strength uptrend up here on the monthly. We've pulled back a bit. We see basically we've got really strong monthly ADX on the sideways drift. It's been going sideways. So it's basically the selling doesn't have a whole lot of integrity. What I like about it is we're in the area of this 10-month SMA. We've come and undercut this low. So we undercut this swing low on the monthly, and the bulls stepped up and defended it. We got this bullish, kind of this bullish hammer bar here. So basically, I think any time now is a decent place to establish a bit of a position in this stock, with the expectation that the tailwinds that are involved in the sector, along with this stock's general good fundamentals, this one is a good one that could maybe play catch up with the rest of the market here. We also see this with this as a IPO. From the date of its IPO, we're up at the high here, and we've just been sideways drifting underneath it. So it's kind of like a cup forming this handle here. The fact it hasn't rejected from this previous all-time high is a really good sign of strength. TEVA, Teva Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Basically, again, nice relative strength uptrend, really nice monthly ADX, and we've basically seen it kind of drift sideways. I wouldn't mind see it come down a little bit lower and test this 200-month SMA and the 10-month SMA. It'll be in the same area around $30. So ideally, I'd like to see this one drift down a bit and give an opportunity to get involved. And then MLYS, Mineralis Therapeutics. We see, again, nice relative strength uptrend. This one maybe could come off the list just because it is starting to really underperform the market here on the longer term moving average. You see it's flipped red there up there, but basically still have a strong monthly ADX on the up move, and this down move has had a declining ADX. In other words, the selling hasn't really had a whole lot going on. We see overall there's been a few above average selling bars, so it's not great on this 3-day time frame over here. Basically, what I like about it is that we came down into the 10-month SMA, we undercut this monthly swing low, and is this kind of like a little double bottom? One, two, and then this is the bottom. It sure has had a lot of strength. These are one, two, three 3-day bars in a row of buying. So the bulls have definitely stepped up at this level. I think this is one that is worth taking a shot on just based on how strong the sector has been. It does have the sector tailwinds. They do have fundamentals, and we're in potential areas where we would expect the bulls to step up. So those are the ones I'm watching. I'm definitely looking to get involved in this sector in general, more on a lower swing time frame. But from an investment standpoint, these ones are maybe set up to play some catch up with the general strength that has been finding its way through the entire market. So curious if you guys think I've missed anything in this general healthcare sector from an investing longer term or an intermediate term time frame. Make sure you let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know your questions, thoughts, comments, all those things. Always happy to chat stocks, and wish you guys good luck in your trading this week, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.